Wow. That's pretty wild. Who has that? This thing alone makes it worth getting out of bed this morning. Now let's look at this thing. See? Looks like they put one of those Amazon carburetors on it. Maybe not. Maybe that's original. Anyway, that's a cool piece of scrap metal, but doesn't work for us. Welcome to trash picking again. We're parked on a ridiculous main road, and the Camry's probably gonna get stuck in the mud, but I think it's a risk worth taking. I don't get this. How on earth does somebody have extension cords tangled up with their garden hose? This effing bad. All right, I think I just made some progress there. I might have to go get the cutters. Oh my God. I know I should be grateful to these people for throwing this stuff out in the first place, but this is just ridiculous. All right, now I think I should be able to get a clean shot under the hose. Yeah, apparently there's some kind of bull something going on. All right. Ah! More emergency vehicles. I'm gonna make a determination about whether it was all worth it based on whether or not we can extract ourselves from this mud. All right, then, it was all worth it. Today's supposed to be like the big day, meaning there should be a lot of stuff out, but it's not looking so hopeful so far. So I think we're just gonna take whatever we can get. This sink's not too heavy. Plus, it's got a handle. So we can stuff that in there. Pick this up for these people. All right, do we want this barbecue lid? I don't know if I really want to do barbecue lids today, but let's see. Where's my magnet? There's my magnet. And there's my wire cutters. So, first of all, I can't believe those are stainless. It's crazy. The one guy across the street always parks his car in his driveway, like at the end of his driveway during pickup. Probably so bozos like me can't turn around in his driveway. Some people do that. I don't know how I feel about that. Obviously, I'm going to be pretty biased with all this stuff, but I guess it must be a bear to have 50 people in beat-up old cars turning around in your precious suburban driveway. Wow. See, the problem with this is I bent the pin as I was pulling it out. Like, once you bend the pin, it makes it harder to pull it out. Is that stainless too? No. These are stainless though. All right. Snatch these things up. What about that piece on the bottom? I don't want to pull that piece on the bottom out because it doesn't weigh nothing, and if I pull that out, then the charcoal is going to go through, get on the ground. Alright. This is gorgeous. Look at this thing. That is a nice old watering can. Dover. Yeah, I've got to take that. And what do you think? Think this thing still works? Yeah, I guess we could just take that. Probably doesn't work, but we'll give it a shot. Look at their mailbox. Can't duck it. F it. Alright. Yeah, I've kind of given up hope today because it looks like everything's already picked, even though we're relatively early, but we'll see how it goes. I like this box. Look at this thing. Does that have a name on it, you think? I don't know. I don't know exactly what it's supposed to be. It's not very well made, but It's like something jamming up the back there. Ah, there you go. They left a piece of jewelry for us. Yeah, this thing is kind of cheap, but it's definitely, you know, mid-century adjacent, so we'll take that. I just wish I could get all the drawers to go in right. Is that an alignment issue, or is there more junk back there? Oh yeah. There you go. Look, we found rubies and emeralds. Man, that thing's stubborn, isn't it? What's in there? I don't see anything in there. I don't really feel anything in there. Is that stupid little thing way in the back causing that much of an obstruction? Here. EDC, man. There's no way that piece of lint is preventing that drawer from closing. All right, let's put it in without the other drawers there. Yeah, that's a cool thing. Oh, sorry. I'm hiccuping here. All right, what do we got here? VCR tapes, knickknacks, floppy drives, yeah, this pile's already been dug through, but we got that one thing. All right, maybe today will be salvageable after all, because we found the Bianchi. Look at the Bianchi. Look at that front wheel. What the hell is that? We got a Bianchi. The Bianchi. So, let's hang it on the thing. Take a look at it. Campione del Monde. This is the missing links. Now we've found it.
Hello.
What's up, homie?
Listen, you got an SE bike?
An SE?
SE bike.
I don't think I have any SE bikes. I'd like to find one.
I'm looking for one for my son.
Well, good luck. Those are a hot ticket right now.
Yeah, if
You mean one of those 26-inch cruisers?
What, you got one?
No, but like you're not gonna find that, dude.
Well, I mean, if you find like any SE bike, it could be 24-inch, 20-inch, just, you know.
I'll look, dude, but
And then you told me how much you want.
you don't find them.
Yeah,
I
was
mean-
checking, you know, they're hard to find.
Yeah, and even when you do find them, they're expensive. I saw one online. It was a Boston Celtics colorway. You know, it was like green and white. Those bikes are crazy, dude.
Yeah.
But good luck with it.
All right, then, thank you.
Yeah. All right, I don't know if you heard his end of the conversation, but he was hoping to find an SE bike. And Wow. Hey, look who painted it. Patricia. Good job, Patricia. Patricia is a talented artist. No, anyway, those SE bikes, like you see kids riding them all the time. They're super, super cool, but I don't anticipate I'm gonna start finding those on the curb for like another 5 years. All right, I'll get this thing strapped in and we'll get on to the next thing, but maybe our day is starting to turn around. I wasn't gonna get out here, but I don't know. I like these planters. See, here's the quandary with these planters. They're filled with dirt, and I don't want to be the dick who dumps them out in the yard. But luckily, I don't have to worry about that because they're kind of broken. Brand new sink. You know, a little bit of tidy bowl, clean that right up. What's in there? Oh, look, it's a pan. What do you think? Is that made out of brass? They paid $58 for it, whatever it's made out of. There's that. Yeah. A magnet don't stick to it. That means it's either brass or stainless. Or solid sterling silver with gold accents. Well, looks like we get the whole set. The whole set of gaudy, potentially brass platters. What else do we need that's here? That sticks. I don't know. We were talking about cookware just yesterday. Apparently some of this stuff is apparently some cookware is hard to get out of the bag, which is the problem we're having right now. So like, here's your run-of-the-mill China crap, but then Goldmatic. I never saw Goldmatic before. Looks like their kid puked in it or something, but I don't know. This stuff is like kind of tacky looking. But it's too late now. We're 100% committed to the Goldmatic cookware. I feel like the Goldmatic cookware is not 100% committed to coming with us. You smell gas? Hope my fuel pump's not leaking. Look at that bug. Do you think that bottom piece just coincidentally fits on there? No, that's not Goldmatic. All right. This is wherever. That's got a sticky handle, so now I'm gonna go home and vomit. That's just party junk. Ow! Look at that, I just whacked my shin on my door. Eduardo Bianchi. Look at the grips on this thing. It's like the cover of a Prince album or something. Oh, on a bag of rocks. And what about this? Is that a nice enough vase for us? No. Let's put it back where the flowers can blow away in the wind now. So I would have one little request for any builder, developer, city planner, which is that if you're gonna build a cul-de-sac, I mean, if you're gonna build a dead-end street, Luigi Salcedo. If you're gonna build a dead-end street, make a cul-de-sac so I don't have to turn around in somebody's driveway. I mean, that's how I look at these things. Urban planning, development. Oh, check it out. Here's the other part of the Luigi. Urban planning, development, these kind of things. Let's check this out. Should really revolve around my needs. So, if you're building a dead-end street, put a circle at the bottom of it so I can turn around more easily. It's 2022, so that makes that thing 132 years old. I'm impressed. All right, anyway, I guess I'm gonna have to go turn around in this this mess, but I'm not gonna enjoy it. Look at this crazy thing. This is what you call one hell of a meat slicer. Damn, who made that? The Deluxe by the U.S. Slicing Machine Company. That's wild. You know we gotta have that, right? Also weighs like a zillion pounds. Alright, so I'm gonna have to shut you guys off and put that in the car. I think it's gonna have to take a position of prominence right here where the Luigi banjo is too. Alright, see you in a bit. Let's see what we got here. Crappy tools. Hyper tough. I really just wanted these pipes. These are fancy cast iron pipes. I could stand on top of these, huh? That's a bad idea. Look at that. Woo. All right, there's some brake rotors up the street, so let's hope we don't get snaked. But first, look, it's the baby. Just a creepy, evil one. All right. I don't know. Today's kind of going nowhere, so maybe we'll just go out with a whimper instead of a bang. Should probably put these in the other side because that meat slicer is heavy as all heck. Anyway, I really thought today was just going to be a glorious day, but it's mediocre. This slicer's nuts, though. I looked them up on eBay real quick, and it looks like that has a lot of potential if someone's willing to come pick it up. So, as heavy and goofy as it is, maybe that's the score of the day. Plus, we got this Coleman lantern. Some of these can be worth money. It's a 220J. And I guess that's about it. I mean, if I find anything really good, or if anything cool happens, I'll let you know. But until then, let's call this the end of the line. One more gratuitous shot of that hub. Appreciate you keeping me company, and until next time, thanks for watching.